the evolution of millennials into faculty positions and leadership positions in education is going to begin to accelerate the transformation of architecture and space in learning and research environments. I think up until now we've been sort of planning for them as students, through higher education, and now as they're coming out into leaders, I think they're going to begin to implement some of the things they believe in the design of our buildings. Space outside the classrooms for a university are going to become more important, and the experience the university can offer a client that's different than what someone can get online or a student can get online is going to be the difference that keeps higher education alive as a place to come to. The idea of big data and what that can do for the systems that make up a building is going to transform design in higher education. I think in terms of what we can do for clients in the areas of efficiency of operations and life cycle of products and systems is going to be dramatically different as these systems become aware of themselves and can monitor their state of being, I guess, through connections with the internet and big data. So I think it's going to change the way we look at building systems and design in a real fundamental way. I think as pressure continues to be on institutions of higher learning to reduce their tuition and to cut costs, that you're going to see more and more private sector partners come in to help them meet their capital needs without putting a big burden on the taxpayers and other funding mechanisms they have. The first glimpse we're seeing of that is in student housing. The role of the library isn't about a house or warehouse for books or a warehouse for knowledge and quiet study. These spaces will become advanced learning type environments, places for students to come in and work in groups or do research and have access to information, but more as a gathering place, I think, than libraries typically were. So I think it's going to fundamentally change the way libraries function, and less as a place of going to get knowledge and more as a place of being able to apply what you're learning.